Yeah, talo for lava everyone. This evening, decided to go for a walk. Yeah, I might. Yeah, taking a walk at the down in Waikiki, Waikiki Beach Park. They do my yeah. So going for a walk. I might. You guys have a look. People are coming out again, and enjoying the nature, enjoying the natural mea na fire CCS, the beauty that is nature that the Creator made. And so, you know, this evening is just, it's a blessing in and of itself to be alive. And so, I just wanted us to go into tonight in our Gamey Chill. We're going to be going through some nisi foi ofisilia tātou o loo iai ai pisi lo maringalu nisi o tātou fesili o loo iai I le wha Samoa. And so, now, and and we'll go through them. We received some questions last night. Il tātou mtaupusa talanoina received some questions, and we're going to address some of those questions tonight. But for those of you watching, I encourage you to jot down some questions. I'm walking. Mole sungat failo kusi lafa mai wear your mask. Yeah, o nga ngofo nga ilika bench where you follow mask. I lang ho le la. We keep low healthy. So afapela, if you have any thoughts or any questions, please put them in the comment section of this live, and I hope that I'll be able to answer them later on tonight. And if not, hey, at least I have some time to look for the answers. Yeah. Olai lo wa mai foi. Ya le pese to le ninga fa Tahiti. Like a Tahitian exercise. I fa ten ya ia sui lapa lapa. Ni so li ya fa beto mai ta. So atova ai. Yeah. I don't want you to watch too long, because then you will commit the sin of committing adultery. You momo over here, and then you say I make you sin, and enough people are saying I'm making people sin. You see behind me, the sun is soon to set here in Hawaii, enjoying this beautiful weather, and you're in Manaio, the beautiful air. Woo! Or the coronavirus or the COVID-19 How's it? Yeah. I've had to COVID-19 I can get my long makakaka ya kia fa peka ngaka wa o se fa pa pomu ai le ai o le Mea-Uli Samoa tangata uli Samoa tangata uli e alofa yon tangata. I love my people. Yeah. Fa pe umma a tau sila mai fa pe umma tu fa nga Israel. When Moses was upon the Red Sea, ay lang ale Blue Sea. Yeah. So fa Samoa coronavirus ole virusi a corona. Ole virusi a corona pole fa mai rona. Mola if the Samoan word for coronavirus is COVID-19 virusi corona, coronavirusi or coronavirus, le virusi a corona. Yeah. So again, this evening I'll be going over some of your questions in the comments. Bye. And I be careful. I have to watch my be careful. Remember the rule number 1 of life: safety first. Safety first. That's why even though out in the open, I have my mask in my pocket and my pocket for my mask. Yeah, so put down your questions. I'll try my best later to answer. And man, these look like the footprints of Noah. I think Noah walked on this seawall when he was here. Because some of you guys said, hey, there's something else I'm going to address tonight. Some of you guys said the Samoans and the blacks are mentioned in the Bible. So I went and I read the story of Noah. And I think Noah was in Hawaii, because I see some footprints over here. Look like Noah's. I think you guys are right. So this is the Honolulu Aquarium. This is where they have willies free. Siamu. You guys know the orca siamu, shamu, or willies free. Yeah. So exclusive. This scenic route is exclusive for only Le Mea-Uli Samoa followers, friends. But remember, please follow, like, subscribe, and share. We are on YouTube. YouTube and press subscribe. Tovai. Tosil sila mai. O tosil sila mai mele o oi. Here I am. Tu so I tonua. O I tonua na tuai a Pop Marley. Mausuro na pese, famai. Oh, here I am, baby. Come and take me. Right here, right at this spot. Ongon mga ovoyangale. Take me by the hand. Yeah, au ko vai aku nga. Yeah. Matulafo na tatou. Isos fai nga wo. Pero seu ngali for any relationship. Hey, no means no. Both sides, male and female. Guess what? In life, sometimes like that. It's not always the male and the female. If I for the female and the male, it's also male to female. The females, no means no. So if no, then no. O ire ngai ka ko ke o shamu, ma orca, ma dolphin, stingray, ngai ka ko kasensio. This is the zoo. This is the zoo. This is the zoo that everybody talking about. Everybody's from the zoo. This is the zoo, or you can make another zoo. Ling sila. Thank you for cowboy boy. Ini meu sa boy. Lengo ke musuk song halu fo yang nge. Ngi wam saulu ka mo yang ko lirola your flesh. Yeah. Ole na auto silsila tit fai lau tusi. Malana ato me ai. O fai atu fai lau tusi tao. Fai tapi kiniki oi Waikiki. E ave oi fai vai oi ma fasa vidi wo na olo nofo mai I ma fai ta poroketi upload data. I say tao se fata fao oi. Tato le tupali gentlemen. Once in a while, yeah, go for a cruise with baby, or baby and babies, yeah, or for you folks with many baby, yeah, skip to us. So baby number 1, baby kawa, baby 99, yeah. So good evening, everyone. You stay blessed, and again, put those in our comments, the questions you have, and we'll discuss them later on this evening. Alofa tu soifo maya manuia.